How to get paid on VirtualStaff. Step 1. Set up your payout details. Before receiving payments, ensure your payout details are complete while completing your profile details in the Add Your Withdrawal Method session. Enter your bank account information. Provide your date of birth and billing address. Double-check the details for accuracy to avoid payment delays. Step 2. Track your work hours using the Attendance Monitoring tool. The Attendance Monitoring tool helps ensure accurate work hour tracking. Access the time tracker. Log in to your VirtualStaff account. Navigate to the attendance tracking section. Log in and save your hours. Keep track of your work hours as per your employer's expectations. Click Save to store recorded hours. Submit work hours for approval. Click Submit for approval after logging your hours. Your employer will review and approve them. Step 3. Submit a salary request. Navigate to attendance tracking and ensure all logged hours are correct. Select the date range for your salary request. Click Create Salary Request, where your details will be auto-filled. Enter additional details such as salary request number, expected due date, any relevant notes. Submit the invoice for employer approval. Once approved, your payment will be processed and reflected in your chosen payout method. Thank you, and welcome to VirtualStaff.ph, the smarter way to build a team in the Philippines, hiring, payroll, and compliance in one platform.